Today, we have the honor of recognizing one of our own colleagues. Mrs. Dilts-Pollock started teaching 14 years ago and has been at Farnsley Middle School for the past 11 years. She strives to continuously improve her teaching and never stops learning new ways to perfect her talent. No one is more dedicated than Mrs. Pollock. Though her teaching expertise are top-notch, her skills excel in relationships she builds in dedication with her students.
On behalf of WHAS 11 and LG&E and KU, I am honored to present you with this ExCEL Award. Congratulations.
So on behalf of everyone at LG&E and KU and WHAS, I'm happy to present you with an award of $1,000 that we know will be well used for your students and in your classroom. Congratulations again, Ms. Pollock.
It's a very rigorous process to get this award. And so I just want to say congratulations to Ms. Pollock and to the Farnsley family for having this great teacher on your staff.
But I want to say congratulations, and I miss you so much. And thank you for everything you've done for me. You really saved my life, and I really thank you for that.
Thank you, everybody, so much. I appreciate it. I don't know. I got nothing. Thank you, thank you, thank you.